Hello everyone, here we are at Car Connection in Little Ferry, New Jersey, and today we are featuring a 2000 Ford Expedition Eddie Bauer edition. Obviously this is not a stock truck. It does have some custom applications, including the magnum bumpers. It does have a 3-inch lift kit. It's got 20-inch wheels, 35 by 12 50s. Tires are practically brand new. It does have a custom step board. It is a green matte wrap. The original paint underneath is perfect. This vehicle has approximately 86,000 miles. Runs like new. There's the back end. There's the back bumper. Very clean vehicle. We'll take a look at the interior. Interior is clean. No signs of rips or tears. Headliner's in good shape. Back seat's good. Third row seating is also good. Headliner's in perfect condition. Let's start her up. Take back. $87,000 miles to be exact. No check engine lights on. Rev her up a little bit. Take a step back. 2000 Ford Expedition Custom. You can view all inventory at www.carconnectiononline.com. Ask about our finance options. Thanks for viewing this video.